Have you ever wanted to create that scary attraction for your haunted house on Halloween and make it automated? I know I have. My name is Matthew Lidner. Today I'm going to show you how to do just that with an Arduino microcontroller, a few components, and a little bit of time. I'm going to start by showing you how to download the Arduino software, the few components we're going to need to get started. We're going to attach those components to a breadboard and then the Arduino. And then we're going to go ahead and plug the Arduino into the computer and upload our sketch. Before we get started, let's talk a little bit about the Arduino. The Arduino has been out for quite a while and it comes in very many shapes and sizes. They range from $20 to about $80, and the price can vary depending on where you get it from and the variation that you get. It was designed in such a way that you don't need any prior knowledge of electronics or programming to get started. Their website, arduino.cc, has a plethora of information from examples, tutorials, and even a very large community base that's there to help you when you need. Let's go ahead and get started by downloading our software.
To get started by using Arduino, we need to install the software. We'll start by opening up a web browser and going to arduino.cc. Once there, click on the download link, scroll down, and you'll find the installer respective to your platform. Since we're using Windows, we'll go ahead and use the Windows installer. Once everything is downloaded and installed, we'll now be ready to attach our components to the Arduino and get it ready for programming.
Now that we have our software installed, let's go ahead and take a look at the basic components that we're going to need to start our project. Here we have the basic components we're going to need to get started with our project. We have an Arduino microcontroller, breadboard, motion detector, an LED and its complementing resistor so that we could tell when the motion detector is tripped, jumper wires to connect it all together, and a USB cable so that we can connect the Arduino to the computer and upload our program. I'm going to go ahead and put this all together, and then I'll be back to show you how to write the program and upload it to the Arduino. Now that we have all the components installed on the breadboard and attached to the Arduino, we're going to go ahead and attach the Arduino to the computer, start writing our program, and then upload our program to the Arduino. Let's get started.
Now that we have the Arduino connected to our computer, it's time to go ahead and start writing our program. We'll start by opening the basic link program that comes with the Arduino. You can do that by going to File, Examples, Basics, and Blink. Once this is open, we need to change the 13 to 5, which tells the Arduino that our LED is on pin 5. Next, we'll add pin mode 6, 0. This tells the Arduino that our motion detector is typically off. Next, we'll add if digital read pin 6 equals 1 to turn on the LED. This basically says that once the motion detector is triggered, the LED will turn on. Lastly, we'll add else around the last bit of code here. And what this does is it tells the Arduino microcontroller that when the motion detector is not triggered, that the LED is off. Let's go ahead and verify and upload our sketch and see what we have.
Now that we've written our program and uploaded it to the Arduino, it's ready to go. We can see that anytime I move, the sensor will turn on and the LED will light up. This lets you know that the circuit's working. Now the only thing left to do is take out the LED and replace it with whatever you want to automate. And that's all there is to it. Now you have an Arduino with a motion detector and the basic foundation for your scary automated project for your Halloween haunted house. We went through installing the Arduino software, showing you the basic components required that you can pick up at your local Radio Shack or online. And we also showed you how to take a basic program that comes with the Arduino IDE, add a few lines of code, and get the basic foundation for our project. The only thing left to do is to take our LED out and put in whatever it is we need to automate for our haunted house. Thank you for watching, and please be sure to check the links below for any additional information. Thank you.